Welcome back, Healthy Club fans. What if I told you the future of protein might not come from animals, or even from plants as we know them? Peas, fungi, algae, and even lab fermentation could soon replace the meat on your plate. Stay with me until the end, because I'll reveal which one of these is already outperforming traditional meat in nutrition, sustainability, and even taste. Global demand for protein is rising. Population growth, fitness culture, and food security. Animal agriculture uses 77% of farmland but provides only 18% of calories. Health concerns. Saturated fat, cholesterol, processed meats linked to chronic illness. Plant-based proteins offer sustainability, but not all are equal. Some mimic meat well, some fail. Let's break them down one by one. Peas, mycoprotein, algae, and fermentation. Strengths. Popular base of Beyond Meat, Ripple Milk, and many protein powders. Rich in essential amino acids like lysine, but needs complementation with methionine sources. Allergen-friendly, soy and wheat alternatives can trigger reactions. Weaknesses. Off flavors, earthy grassy taste that companies mask with flavorings or fermentation. Digestibility, contains phytic acid and enzyme inhibitors that reduce absorption. Highly processed, isolating pea protein requires energy, water, and chemical steps. Good for shakes, snacks, and meat substitutes, but not perfect on its own. What it is: filamentous fungi like mushrooms' roots grown in fermenters. Example, Quorn, already eaten by millions worldwide. Strengths: naturally fibrous texture, equal sign closer to chicken meat. High in fiber and protein, low in fat. More sustainable, requires less land than animal protein. Weaknesses: higher cost, due to fermentation infrastructure. Flavor can be slightly mushroomy. Requires careful processing to reduce RNA, to prevent digestive issues. It's meat-like without being meat, but scaling it up for billions is the challenge. If this is interesting so far, keep watching because algae and fermentation might surprise you with how futuristic they really are. Microalgae, spirulina, chlorella, macroalgae, seaweed. Strengths: very high protein density in some species. Also provide omega-3 fatty acids, B vitamins, antioxidants. Can grow on non-arable land with saltwater, no farmland competition. Potential climate benefit: absorbs CO2. Weaknesses: strong oceanic taste and dark green-blue color can make it unappealing. Cost of harvesting and drying is still high. May accumulate heavy metals if not grown carefully. Uses today: added in powders, nutrition bars, smoothies, still rare in meat-style foods. So if algae is nutrient-rich but not tasty enough, what about lab fermentation that can literally design proteins? Biomass fermentation, growing mycelium or microbes in bulk for protein mass. Precision fermentation, programming microbes to make specific proteins like heme, impossible burger, casein, or egg proteins. Strengths: can produce proteins identical to those in meat or dairy. Allows fine-tuning of taste, texture, and nutrition. Uses less land and could scale using renewable feedstocks. Weaknesses: still very expensive, precision fermentation costs in particular. Regulatory hurdles in many countries. Consumer hesitation, lab-grown, engineered, or synthetic can feel unnatural. This could eventually give us meat-like products without the animals, but we're not there yet for everyday affordability. Works now. Pea plus rice blends for balanced nutrition. Mycoprotein for realistic meat texture, still developing. Algae, amazing nutrients, poor taste appeal. Fermentation proteins, powerful but costly. No single source is perfect. The future may be a smart blend of all these technologies. Plant-based proteins are evolving beyond soy burgers. From peas to fungi, algae, and lab fermentation, each has unique strengths and challenges. This isn't just about replacing meat, it's about building a healthier, more sustainable food future. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with someone curious about nutrition, and subscribe for more science-based insights.